Welcome to Nexus step-by-step training, where we'll guide you through how to create and or send a customer statement. Start by finding the customer you want to create a statement for by clicking on the customers on the main menu on the left-hand side. Search for your customer and once found, click on Open. Click on the Invoices tab and click on Customer Statement. Depending on the statement you want to generate, you can select the word icon next to all invoices or unpaid invoices. When clicking the word icon next to either, it will automatically generate and download the Word document for you, but this will not be saved in customer files. If you'd like to send the statement to the customer, click on the envelope icon next to email. This step will automatically generate a PDF version of the unpaid invoices and save the PDF in customer files. Click on Send. And that's it for this video. Happy learning!